Hi there. In this video, we'll go over an error that you can encounter with the Taleo Rest connector, that error message being invalid field name. What we will go over here is the issue, the environments, and the resolution. For the issue, you are configuring a Taleo Rest connector, and during the import of an object in the operation, you get an error, invalid field name. You can see an example of the error message here with the object name, which is the cause of the issue. An example of this error within the platform UI can be seen in the screenshot shared in this slide. For this issue, what type of environment can this be encountered in? This can happen in any atom environment, which means an atom, a molecule, or a cloud molecule. For the resolution, as mentioned in our user guide for the Taleo Rest operation, if you check the section of the user guide called Fields and Objects, Taleo's XML-based REST API does not support some characters. When defining custom field external names within Taleo, names can contain only lowercase characters, uppercase characters, and numbers. Custom field names cannot start with a number. In order to resolve this error, you will need to fix the issue as mentioned in the error message, where there appears to be an invalid character in the name. For example, you might have a hash and/or a period in the object name. Remove these characters from the object name, and you should be able to import the object successfully. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you, and take care.